district, there's a JJ board. JJ board means Juvenile Justice Board, where the magistrate is the presiding officer, and I am also the advocate conducting for the state. For the state means the police side, I have to deal with it, and then we'll have those members, other one or two members from the social welfare, and they will determine what are the age and what are whether. So usually they are sent to observation home, okay, not jail, because and then those people who arrest also, they cannot wear uniform. Police cannot wear uniform in the case of suppose a child is say caught with theft, or maybe some crime has been done. The child will be produced to the observation home by the police, who is the IO. IO means investigating officer, and she or he cannot wear uniform. They will come in civil clothes, and they will go to the observation home, and they will put them there for some time, okay? And so, in any crime like maybe death sentence, I mean involving murder, or maybe theft, or or drugs, or any cases, the sentence means staying in the jail. The term is more than some are 7 years, some of them are 10 years, some of them are more than that. Life imprisonment is also there, okay? Like some who have done very heinous crime, killing 2-3 people, or maybe those kind of things, those they are sent to the same jail, where the adults are dealt with, okay? And in this, I told you, observation home or maybe special home, okay? And so in here, what they do is the child is kept there, and maximum punishment is 3 years. Maximum, okay? 3 years in the home, and then afterwards they will be let out. After the case is finished, they will be free as a new person. After that, if the child wants to join, maybe army recruitment is there, and he wants to go and join, be an army, what do you call it, sepoy or constable, he can join. And in the column, whether you have a criminal record, no. Look at there. No, nothing is there. He is a clean person, because the main object of the Juvenile Justice Act is to reform the child, okay, and give a new life. So they can go for election, they can become an officer, they can become a sepoy, anything they can join, and they don't when they are recruited, there's a column. Do you have any are you arrested before? Do you have a criminal record? No. Mungkin dito. Itu case close itu. Juvenile apa itu? The case is close mungkin itu. Two, I wanted you all to understand what is the main thing is. These children, like I told you before, they can be abundant, he may or maybe mentally ill also, and then who are begging, I told you, and then parents and guardians, they are unfit. Unfit is saying, but I know that you all must be belonging to a good family who wants to study, who wants to make a career in life. So, but then your that's why we are giving you the knowledge. But I don't want you all to do any crime such like this, because nowadays what people are doing is they are taking advantage of JJ Act, and then small children are used to transport, opium ho ta bang na, drug ho ta bang, so case ho ta bang, chakang ho jo ki bat le the case on abelin ati ba na. They said that, this is a small, if the child is sent, then if he's arrested also, he'll be free soon, so let's take advantage of this act. The misuse bottom, there are people who are misusing this act. Okay, so last time also there were two boys. They were 12 years. One of them 12 and 13 years. They were arrested with lots of soap case, and they are now in the observation room. Okay. So I mean earlier there was a case. I'll tell you, there was a case in 2006. There was a lady who was raped in a moving bus in Delhi. It's called Nirbhaya case. Okay, from there it became very strict. This in this the crime was done at midnight, and then the accused means this in juvenile they are not called accused. They are called in conflict with law. Juvenile. So this accused, four of them were adults, and one was a juvenile. Juvenile means he was around 15 or 16 or something like that. And that time, the sentence, Songkula Om Living Pachu, it was only 10 months. So there was a big, many social worker and many agitation was done. So and it seems the youngest one who did the rape crime, he was the So what happened was, so there was a big thing. Everywhere there was what do you call strike and then agitation, and many they said this is too less, 10 months. So from there it became 3 years. 3 years to sentence. Adang actually in like NDPS means any drug cases, Songkula Omding Pahu, the sentence is more than 10 years above that also, some of them, very serious also. And then, I don't know, in our side, in India, since it's a democratic country, it is very lenient, and then we go through trial, we go through cases, and it takes very long, and then it is like that, okay?